Wonderful! On the occasion of Christmas, Happen introduces to you 10 famous dishes. 1. Roast turkey. Introduction. The symbolic centerpiece of Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner in the West, it is typically roasted whole with crispy skin and often served with cranberry sauce. Ingredients preparation. Whole turkey, 1 approx. 5 to 6 kilograms. Unsalted butter, 200 grams for basting, rubbing. Yellow lemon, 2. Onion, 1 large celery, 2 stalks. Rosemary, thyme, sage, fresh leaves, seasoning, salt, ground pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika. Step-by-step instructions. Clean the turkey. Pat the skin completely dry both inside and out. Mix the softened butter with all the seasonings, minced rosemary, and thyme. Gently lift the skin over the breast and thighs and rub the seasoned butter underneath. Rub the remaining butter all over the exterior skin. Stuff the cavity with the lemons, onion, and celery. Tie the legs together with butcher's twine. Place the turkey in a roasting pan and bake at 160 degrees Celsius. Cover the breast with foil for the first 30 minutes to prevent burning. Roast for about 3 to 4 hours depending on size, basting with the pan juices or stock every 45 minutes to keep it moist. Use a thermometer. The turkey is done when the thigh temperature reaches 80 degrees Celsius. Presentation and serving. Place the turkey on a large platter. Garnish with roasted vegetables, fresh rosemary sprigs, and fresh cranberries. Slice and serve with gravy. Notes: patting the turkey completely dry is crucial for crispy skin. Internal temperature must be checked for food safety. Please continue to view the second dish.